How you put the Starline Immobiliser into service mode if you don't have your phone on you. You'll turn the ignition on, go through your push sequence to confirm that it's you. Get our disarm tone. Now we'll press one of the buttons 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll socket the ignition off. Back on. We receive 2 bleeps, and now that means the system's in service mode. So now if we start the car up, we get no tone. It can go straight back to Range Rover. Put it in gear, doesn't cut out. The immobiliser is completely disabled. So when it goes in for a service, the system's completely off. The way you take it out when you get it back and you want it protected, so foot off the brake, ignition on, pop your code in to prove that it's you again, and you want to turn the system back on. You get your 2 bleeps to confirm it comes out. Now we'll turn the ignition off and we'll give it 10 seconds to set and make sure it immobilises. So it's been 10 seconds now. We start the car, put it in gear, cuts out.